Welcome, sir. It's an honor that you graced the event for us. I'd now like to call the visionary director of Savi, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up for Mr. Abhinay Dio. Thank you, sir. Now, I'd like to call the person who is being loved by everyone. Her performance is being loved by everyone, and she's now become a global sensation. Give it up for Divya Khosla. Welcome, welcome, Divya ma'am. I'd like to call a very integral part of the team, Mr. Vishesh Bhatt, on stage as well. Guys, give a huge round of applause, everyone. Welcome, welcome, sir. And lastly, the co-producer of Savi, Sakshi Bhatt, ladies and gentlemen. Guys, थोड़ी आवाज करो यार for the entire team of Savi. So, Savi has been a labor of love of everyone involved in this film, from the crew to the production team to the cast, and the film's testament is.
Everyone, first of all, I would like to thank each and every one of you. That thank you for being here and celebrating our success and making Savi so big. I think the credit goes to the audience truly for all their love and support. Without you all, we wouldn't have been standing here today. And I'm just feeling so thankful, so grateful. I want to thank the Almighty above. I want to thank my mom above. And of course, I want to thank these two gentlemen here, Bhatt sir and Abhinay sir, who supported me like I think Bhatt sir told me like n number of times that you're like Sakshi to me, you're like Sakshi to me, and he truly meant it. I really felt working in this production that it was my family I'm working with. And I think जब आप कोई भी फिल्म करते हो तो बहुत सारे लोग बहुत बातें बोलते हैं आपको, but मैंने देखा है वो कभी भी सच नहीं होती. People just keep saying so many things. But Bhatt sir ने मुझे जो बात बोली, each and every sentence turned out to be true. So I have to give it to you. Thank you for this opportunity.
I said it from the bottom of our heart.
Yeah.
Say something you only from the bottom of the heart is not enough.
Yeah, thank you, sir. And Abhinay sir, I think it was it was my good fortune that I got to be directed by him, because I knew always that I had it in me, but you can't perform without a good director. I think filmmaking is truly a director's vision, and his thought, his clarity of vision, he was so clear that we shot the film in such a good speed and everything was so organized on the set. In fact, a lot of our unit is here and they were so happy. Even on the sets, we were all smiling and happy, and I think thank you Vishesh, thank you Sakshi for accepting me as part of your family, always making me feel at home. So thank you everyone.
Absolutely. I think give it up for Divya and everyone. The efforts that the entire team has put in is now visible globally.
And usually I worked on enough movies over the years where there has been times where you want to run away from the team because it's probably a toxic environment, people are not enjoying themselves. But Savi almost, I'm saying even during the making, was magnetic. There was something that brought the team together. It was good to be around the team of Savi, which is all here. And it had this innocence and this energy that was very unique. And I feel at that point it made me feel that there was something special being made. It was done in its own pace, its own time. It was not competing with anything, and was done very naturally and realistic.
Choice है. आज आपके पास इतने ऑप्शंस हैं एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए, इतने विंडोज हैं, तो वो पूरा माहौल चेंज होता है. यू शुड चेंज विद टाइम. ऐसा नहीं कि लोगों ने कंजम्पशन कम कर दिया कंटेंट क्रिएट देने का. OTT के आने से बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ गया है, मगर तरीका चेंज हो गया है. अभी आपको ये देखना है कि आपको कौन सी कहानी बिग स्क्रीन के लिए बनानी है और कौन सी इंटीमेट स्क्रीनिंग के लिए करनी है. दोनों का एक स्कोप है और दोनों का एक सक्सेस रेशियो बन सकता है।
We'll take one last question.
हाय नीतू जी, बहुत खुशी महसूस हो रही है। एक्चुअली जब मेरी पिछली पिक्चर यारियां तो उससे पहले नहीं चली थी, मैं एक स्टोरी शेयर करना चाहूँगी। तो उसके कुछ 20-25 दिन बाद मैं वैलेंटिनो के स्टोर पे गई और मैंने ये ड्रेस खरीदी और मैंने सोचा कि मैं ये सावी की सक्सेस पार्टी पर पहनूंगी। और ये कुछ 8-9 महीने पहले की बात है और तब तक पिक्चर की डेट भी डिसाइड नहीं हुई थी। तो आई थिंक आप जो मैनिफेस्ट करते हैं अपनी लाइफ में, आप सोचते हैं कुछ भी, यू नो, इट्स आई फील एवरीथिंग इज अ मेंटल गेम। अगर आप वो चीज़ सोच सकते हैं तो आप अचीव कर सकते हैं। बस ये देरी है कि आप उसे सोचें। तो आप अपने माइंड को और ओपन कीजिए और बड़े बड़े सपने सोचिए। सो आई थिंक दिस गिव्स मी a motivation to dream bigger, to achieve bigger, to work more harder, and I'm feeling very thankful to God, to my mother who gave me her blessings for this, and to the entire audience who's accepted us with so much of love। दूसरी बड़ी पिक्चर भी रिलीज हुई बट हमने कहीं कहीं गुना आगे उससे बढ़ गए, जिसमें बड़े बड़े स्टार्स थे। हमारी पिक्चर में कोई ऐसा स्टार नहीं था, मेरे शोल्डर्स पर ही पिक्चर प्रमोट हुई। तो बस हमने बहुत शिद्दत से काम किया, बहुत जेन्युइननेस के साथ काम किया, खुशी खुशी काम किया। पूरा यूनिट बहुत खुश रहा। तो आई थिंक सबकी दुआएं लगती है पिक्चर को।
बिकॉज अगर वो नहीं होते तो हम नहीं कर पाते और अगर हम नहीं होते तो आप नहीं देख पाते। तो आई थिंक द क्रेडिट गोज टू द एंटायर टीम एंड नेवर टू जस्ट टू बी बट थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर योर फीलिंग्स।
Thank you. On behalf of T-Series and Vishesh Films, I'd like to thank everyone for being here. And we'll do a quick picture first. Okay, sir. एक फोटो आप कर लेते, फोटो भेज दो फोटो।
From your right to left. All of you look here, all of you. From your right to your right, please. Here, ma'am. Thank you.
Come guys, all of you, you have to come on. Come.
आ जाओ, स्टेज बहुत बड़ा है, पूरी टीम आ जाएगी। Give it up for the entire team of Savi, everyone.
Woo! So working with them, guys, working with each one of them has been an honor and a pleasure, and I think they made every day a special day for us on this movie. Thank you very much, everybody. Thank you.
Give it up for the entire team of Savi.
This is the brigade which worked day and night, with smiling without any complaints in the hottest of weathers, having full belief in what they are doing, and the result is happy. Thank you very much, everyone.
Thank you to the entire team. I think this entire team is responsible for Savi reaching to 21 countries and trending globally. Give it up for the entire team.
था, you know, और सब लोग बोल रहे थे आज बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट दिन है। तो आप सब अभी भी मैनिफेस्ट कर सकते हैं जो भी आप अपनी लाइफ में अचीव करना चाहें। बिकॉज आज टुडे इट्स 888 एंड इट्स सो कोइंसिडेंटल बिकॉज हम सेलिब्रेट करते हैं अपना सक्सेस आज। इट्स अ वेरी पावरफुल डे।
Absolutely. So
Yes. Super hit. ये भाई इधर का होने दो ना। Yeah, so start from your right. Sir यार। सामने जरा। Sir यार। Sir right to left, right to left. So this side to that side. Yes. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Mukesh sir. Mukesh sir, look here, center. Yes. Sir, little this side. Okay, sir, यहाँ पर थोड़ा.
सर थोड़ा सेंटर में आइए.
Center, it is center. Okay, sir, look here.
सर स्टार्ट फ्रॉम योर राइट प्लीज.
So this side, sir. Sir, last corner. Yes.
राइट से लेफ्ट आ रहे हैं.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
okay, sir.
Yes.
ऑन राइट.
या ओवर योर सर.